Hi, welcome to Mixin' Business Mom. I thought it was about time we did a real-time clean with me, and the other clean with me video that I did you guys really liked with my car. I don't know how this one's gonna go because I got real frustrated with the real time, so a lot of it is sped up, but clean right along with me. You'll see me doing my morning routine first because you can't start your day without your morning routine, and then you'll see me doing kitchen and some work stuff. So I want to let you guys know I tried to keep it within 5 minutes each little cleaning session. And so actually, once I had sped everything up that I thought was super boring, what you're about to watch is almost exactly 5 minutes. So you don't even need a timer, just clean with me for 5 minutes. And if that's all you have time for today, then pat yourself on the back for not doing nothing. Because I don't know, this new year is getting real fast, and I'm having time for almost zero things. So I hope you guys can carve out 5 minutes in your day to watch this and enjoy the piano and the voiceover. Thanks. Catch you on the other side. Okay, let's talk about real time. I was rubbing my contact lenses for 20 seconds each like a good little girl. I brushed my teeth, which I guess is not shown here. Oh wait, it's probably shown in the sped up section. Hang on. I also did my nasal rinse. I also washed my face and brushed my hair, and it took longer than just 5 minutes. So I was not able to stick within my limit on this. Okay, we join me in the kitchen already in progress, and I did do real time here so you guys could see, but then it just got super boring. Same thing with the bathroom. Like I couldn't stomach letting you guys wait. But it gives you a really good before shot, and I'll provide after shots at the end. You don't need an after shot of my face. My face looks the same, whether I brush my teeth and do my hair or not. I think what's important to realize here is that I have to do these things. Everybody has to do these maintenance things. So real time or sped up, I have to at least spend a few minutes on them. And since the first 5 minutes is the hardest part, once I get going on something, especially the project you'll see me do next, I can continue, or I can come back to it later and it's better. That, you know, I've made more progress, so I'm not as frustrated with it. Okay, so this is a work project, even though it looks like a cleaning project. I had a show, and I'm putting away the costumes in the costume bags from the show so that my office, which as some of you know also includes that guest bed, so that my office looks better. And the reason the guest bed doesn't have mattresses is because we just got the kids' bunk beds, and I can show those here too at the end. And again, we're looking at 2 different 5-minute sessions, and I started out in real time and sped it up for you guys. and you can clean right along with me or do work right along with me. That's what I'm doing here, is I'm work cleaning, which has to be done from time to time. Okay, how did that go for you? It was about 5 minutes and 20 seconds. I hope you guys got something done. I really wish good things for you today. This is what I was able to deliver in the sporadic 5 minutes that I had available in my day. And I'll show you the before and after photos if possible. I'm also gonna link my original video to my 5-minute morning here and also in the description box, because it's one of my very first videos. And the philosophy of just doing 5 minutes here and there, it definitely works with the fact that I have 2 kids who within 5 minutes can get in all sorts of trouble. And then I usually have 5 minutes until they actually start screaming about the trouble that they've just gotten in. But Dana K. White and Dawn the Minimal Mom and Cass from Clutterbug, they all talk about how 5 minutes makes a huge difference. And because I had such a stressful day, it is a school holiday, I wanted to try it here. I was kind of forced to try it here. Sometimes you only have 5 minutes, and I only had 5 minutes to film each one of these little gems. And then when putting it together, it just worked out that it was 5 minutes, almost exactly. So I'm gonna put some before and after videos here. Oohs and ahs, hopefully. Or maybe just you're looking at it and you're like, I did better. I hope you did better. Congratulations if you did. And finally, I'm going to link the original 5-minute morning video that I made. Again, not 100% my idea, but it works with me and with my kids, and I hope that it works for you. So just a little refresher course on that today. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks for watching. Bye.